This phone is a Panasonic phone. I'm going to demonstrate that my technique works on this phone the way it worked on the corded big button phone. The only marks we have on this phone are the um, the on button and the disconnect button, and they are up at the top, and we have Velcro on them. And then down below, the big oval button, which is the volume control button, the keypad starts. These keys are very distinctly separated, although they're smaller and closer together than the keys on the previous phone. But you can still do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 below the 8, and the pound and the star keys on your index and ring finger. To dial a number, you do the same thing. You have to pick your other fingers up a little bit here. 5, 5, 1, 1, 6, 6. And you notice I'm never taking all my fingers off the keypad, because then you lose all of your orientation.